Tired of scrambling to keep track of past contractor payments? Let's simplify things by learning how to manually enter those payments into Gusto. First, log into your Gusto account. Once you're in, navigate to the People section, typically found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Then, click on the Contractors Subtab to view your list of contractors. Select the contractor for whom you need to enter historical payments and click on their profile. Once you're on their profile, navigate to the Payments tab. Next, look for a button labeled Add Historical Payment or something similar and give it a click. Now, you'll see a form where you can input the details of the payment, enter the date the payment was made, the amount paid to the contractor, and a brief description of the service or work performed. Accuracy is key, so double-check your numbers and dates. After you've entered all the necessary information, click the Save button to record the historical payment. You should now see the payment reflected in the contractor's payment history. Repeat these steps for each historical payment you need to enter and you're done. And that's it. By following these steps, you can keep your contractor payment records in Gusto accurate and up-to-date for hassle-free tax season. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Gusto tips.